Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps from Google Chrome in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having problem in your App Store or in your Apple ID and want to download apps without App Store, then I'll help you how to download apps from Google Chrome in your iPhone. So guys, you can easily download apps. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your Google Chrome, and guys, after this here you need to search app that you want to download. So guys, as you can see here, I have searched the Instagram app. So guys, simply you need to search this app name, and guys, you will find this type of result as you can see. So guys, simply you need to click on this one tab, first one app link, and guys, after this you need to wait. As you can see, you need to click on this download button, and guys, you will see that app will be downloaded in your iPhone. So guys, you need to wait. As you can see, app is going to download here. Now I am going to show my screen. As you can see, app is downloading. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to download any app from Google Chrome in your iPhone. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.